Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, we will fix the issue where the health bar is not showing in Roblox so you can understand your health clearly while playing. First, check your Roblox in-game settings. Some experiences hide the default health bar by design. If you notice this only in one game, it is likely a custom health system used by the developer. Check for custom health bars. Many games replace the default Roblox Health UI with their own interface, which disables the standard health display. If the problem happens in multiple games, it may be a global issue instead of a game-specific setting. Update Roblox. Make sure your Roblox client is fully updated. Older versions can contain bugs that affect user interface elements, including the health bar. Updating often fixes these issues automatically. Clear cache and reinstall if needed. A corrupted cache can stop the health bar from loading properly. If you are using a browser, clear your cache and cookies. If you are on the desktop app, uninstall Roblox and install it again. After trying these steps, restart your game and check again. Thanks for watching.